We are delighted to offer this as new 2015 Aston Martin Vanquish Volante with just 3,700 recorded miles. The then range-topping Vanquish Volante was introduced by Aston Martin in 2013 and produced until 2017 when replaced by the Vanquish S Volante. In total, just 1,001 examples of the model were built. In 2015, model year updates included the new 8-speed ZF Touchtronic III transmission and an increase in engine power output to 560 brake horsepower, thus allowing the Vanquish Volante to achieve a top speed of 201 miles per hour while delivering an improved 22.1 mpg. The superb 2015 model year example we now offer for sale is finished in Hammerhead Silver over Obsidian Black hides and equipped with a black convertible hood. Notable optional extras include an alarm upgrade, grey brake calipers, bright tailpipe finisher, piano black fascia trim, bright finish front grille, satin chrome jewellery pack, titanium silver meshes, Aston Martin wings headrest embroidery, micro perforated seat inserts, 177 full leather steering wheel and 20-inch, 20-spoke gloss black diamond turned wheels. There's even ISOFIX on the front seat for those that need to accommodate a baby seat. Recently serviced by Aston Martin agents and supplied in as new condition throughout, this car represents outstanding value considering its original purchase price. Open top motoring doesn't get much cooler than this.